welcome to Supergrads Cat, and here we are with another video where we are comparing the two top most non-IIMs in India. And in fact, if I say top B schools in India, जो top 10 के अंडर में आते हैं, that is FMS Delhi and XLRI जमशेदपुर. आई नो आप सब वंडर कर रहे होंगे कि यार ये दो कौन से कॉलेजेस को ले लिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंपैरिजन. इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी आल्सो टू डिसाइड कि इनके कंपैरिजन फैक्टर्स क्या हो सकते हैं, क्यों एफएमएस दिल्ली चूज करना चाहिए या क्यों एक्सएलआरआई जमशेदपुर हमें चूज करना चाहिए. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट स्पेशली for a aspirant who has got a final admit from FMS Delhi also and XLRI Jamshedpur also. I know it is a very rare thing that could happen with any aspirant out there, but if you are in one such dilemma कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या चूज करना चाहिए FMS Delhi और XLRI Jamshedpur, so today we'll be comparing these two colleges. So stay tuned till the end because this video is going to be very crucial for you all. ओके तो पहले मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द फैक्टर्स की बात कर लेते हैं. दैट इज ईयर ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, द फीस, द प्रोग्राम एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ईयर ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की अगर मैं बात करूं तो एफएमएस दिल्ली इज 1954 एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड एक्सएलआरआई इज 1949 एस्टैब्लिश्ड. एक्सएलआरआई आईएम से भी पुराना कॉलेज है, इसका एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ईयर 1949 का है. सो इट एस्टैब्लिश्ड इवन बिफोर आईएम. सो इट इज इंडिया का सबसे ओल्ड कॉलेज है एक्सएलआरआई जमशेदपुर. नेक्स्ट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द एग्जाम्स एक्सेप्टेड, दोनों के एग्जाम्स अलग अलग हैं. FMS accepts CAT scores whereas XLRI accepts ZAT score. Now they do have other programs as well, जिसके बारे में I'll be talking in my next slide, where XLRI also accepts GMAT score for its GM program, PGDM and General Management program. Next if I talk about the duration of the programs, तो 2 साल का प्रोग्राम है इन एफएमएस ऑल्सो और 2 साल का प्रोग्राम है इन एक्सएलआरआई जमशेदपुर एज वेल. If I talk about the fee structure, we all know कि FMS is really affordable. In fact, इंडिया का सबसे affordable college है in terms of fees. So it's just 2 lakhs and it's known for its ROI. If I talk about XLRI Jamshedpur, it is 27 lakhs 40,000 for 2 years. Now let us look at the placements as well. Average placement, if I talk for FMS Delhi, 34.1 LPA. As I told you, it's really justified for us. Very affordable college क्योंकि average placement ही 34.1 LPA है against your 2 lakhs fees that you're paying. Here the average placement is 32.7 LPA. Median for FMS goes around 31 LPA and median here goes around 30 LPA. If I talk about the highest placement, then 1.23 crores was the highest that went in the year 2023, and here for XLRI it's 1.1 crore per annum, that is for international, and 78.2 LPA is for the domestic. Now if I talk about the selection process, more or less selection process भी same है. CAT score को it gives 50% weightage. Personal interviews are also conducted wherein the 15% weightage is given. Extempore, that is 5% weightage is given to the extempore round. Then discussion on the SOP. Now here you have to be very careful. FMS में SOP को भी weightage दिया जाता है कि आप कैसे अपना स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस या जो भी ऐसे है आप कैसे फॉर्म करते हो. सो 10% weightage is given. 10th और 12th को ज्यादा वेटेज नहीं दिया जाता है इन एफएमएस दिल्ली. कैट स्कोर बट 99 परसेंटाइल एंड अबव होना चाहिए. यू ऑल आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस. सो 5 to 10% of the weightage is given to your 10th and 12th scores. Then the final composite score is given based on all these factors, and based on that you get the final admit for FMS Delhi. If I talk about XLRI Jamshedpur, तो ZAT के score को they give 60% weightage. Then group discussion and personal interview round का weightage is 25%. And then there is essay, academic profile, GK and the work-ex video that you give. Work experience अगर है तो उन सब का मिला के there is a 15% weightage given. Next, let us understand what kind of programs they offer. तो जनरल MBA होता है यहाँ पे, which is in FMS Delhi. And if I talk about XLRI Jamshedpur, we all know HRM के लिए सबसे पॉपुलर कॉलेज अगर है तो XLRI Jamshedpur है. Here you have PGDM and HRM And they have another program, PGDM BM, which is business management. Now they both the colleges have other programs as well. MBA and executive, MBA executive we have, which is an evening program in FMS Delhi. Then you have healthcare management again, MBA executive. These programs are for working professionals. Then you have a doctoral program as well, which is a PhD. Here also you have PGDM GM. So PGDM GM is a 18 months program that they have, which is postgraduate diploma in general management. Then there is FPM, that is fellowship program in management. Then they also have executive FPM. So these programs they have other than the normal PGDM programs and the general MBA programs that they offer. Now, if I talk about the class size, then here there are 299 students. The class size for FMS Delhi is 299, in which 251 is for general EWS, SC, ST, and 48 seats are for the supernumerary seats. Now, I have made a detailed video on FMS Delhi. I'm putting the link for that video in the description box. You can check that out. जिसमें I've told everything कि CAT का percentile कितना होता है, weightage कितना, किसको क्या दिया जाता है. And I've also talked about the seat matrix, the placement record in detail. So you can check that video out. I'm putting the link in the description box. Next, if I talk about the class size for XLRI Jamshedpur, it's 463. Now, XLRI का एक और campus है, that is XLRI Delhi, which is in Delhi NCR. So XL now has two campuses. Jamshedpur to tha hi, but I think from 2021 onwards, they also have another campus, that is Delhi NCR. Degree name here, it's Masters of Business Administration, which is full time. Here it's postgraduate diploma in human resource management. Here it's postgraduate diploma in business management. As I told, दो जो सबसे important flagship programs हैं XLRI के, that is HRM and BM. Here एक कॉमन फैक्टर दोनों कॉलेजेस का ये है कि दोनों कॉलेजेस एकेडमिक्स को उतना वेटेज नहीं देते हैं, which is a good thing. So all the effort that you need to put is in your CAT and your ZAT score that the college is accepting. बैच प्रोफाइल की मैं बात करूं तो FMS में 47% of the batch is of freshers, so it's a good thing. 53% is the WorkX. Now here if I talk about XLRI Jamshedpur, so BM में 33% freshers are there and 67% is the WorkX crowd. And if I talk about HRM, 34% freshers are there and 66% is the WorkX crowd. Now let us talk about some other differences too, which the colleges have. As I spoke of ROI, which FMS Delhi has, and XLRI Jamshedpur does not have ROI over here. Type of institute. Now FMS Delhi comes under Delhi University, that is DU, whereas if I talk about XLRI Jamshedpur, it is a private institute. Profiles and major domains. Another criteria which will be very crucial for you guys to decide कि FMS Delhi choose करना चाहिए या XLRI Jamshedpur choose करना चाहिए. तो अगर मैं बात करूं FMS Delhi की, तो कंसल्टिंग, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग ऐसे टाइप के रोल्स ज्यादा आते हैं. इनफैक्ट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु जेन्युइनली वांट टू परस्यू अ करियर इनटू मार्केटिंग, 20% or 23% of the companies that come over here, or the batch that is placed into sales and marketing. So if you genuinely are looking to go ahead with marketing, then you should definitely consider FMS Delhi. In fact, FMS Delhi is also coming up with Prodman, that is product management. So all those students who want to go ahead with product management as a career, then also you can consider FMS Delhi. Now it is very obvious for us to decide on this factor कि यार अगर मुझे HRM में जाना है तो definitely I should be going ahead with XLRI Jamshedpur. Reason being, even IIMs do not have that many roles, or do not companies इतनी नहीं आती हैं which offer roles into HR or HRM, but XLRI Jamshedpur does. So here if I talk about major domains, then you definitely have consulting, ITS, sales and marketing, and BFSI as well over here. टॉप रिक्रूटर्स की अगर मैं बात करूं तो Accenture, Strategy, Airtel, Amazon, American Express, then you have Bain & Company, you have BCG, you have BDA, Colgate, Palmolive is there for the marketing purposes. Then you have Microsoft, Media.net again for marketing. Then you have Morgan Stanley. Nestle is also there for marketing. So these are the top recruiters at FMS Delhi. XR Jamshedpur की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो Accenture Strategy is there. Then you have Amazon, Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, Boston Consulting Group, that is BCG. You have PwC, Reliance, and Tata Steel, and there are other recruiters as well. Here I have mentioned the top recruiters for both the colleges. Okay, students, so that was all from my side in comparison with FMS Delhi and XRI Jamshedpur. I know it's a very tough choice to choose one college among the two, but one thing that you can consider is कि अगर ROI के perspective से genuinely देख रहे हो, then you should be choosing FMS Delhi, or if you want to go into HRM, then the choice is clear. You should be going ahead with XRI Jamshedpur. नाउ कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताओ कि और ऐसे कौन से कॉलेजेस का कंपैरिजन यू वांट मी टू डू, एंड आल्सो लेट मी नो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स you want me to bring while comparing these colleges. Do let me know in the comments below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads Cat.